Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing Kiwi.com and is this flight booking platform legit or not? Let's dive right in. So as you can see here, we are actually on Kiwi.com and they have a page about their trustworthiness and their legitimacy. So let's get started. But before I do, I would just like to state some pros and cons regarding Kiwi. First of all, they are known to have affordable fares. They are known for their convenience and they are known to provide a Kiwi guarantee regarding any unexpected incidents such as delays or cancellations. Unfortunately, Kiwi.com has had rumors of not so great customer service. Many users have complained about difficulties contacting customer support, especially when dealing with booking issues like cancellations, changes, or missed connections. Secondly, they are known to have hidden fees along their accounting department. So that may be an issue for some of us. And they have very limited airline choices. So these are some problems that Kiwi has, but overall, Kiwi is known to be a reliable and useful fare provider. As you can see here, Kiwi was founded in 2012 under the name Skypicker, and ever since then, it has provided people with legitimate benefits. So, for those of you who are looking to book a flight, Kiwi.com is a reliable source. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.